If you're thinking about starting a new YouTube channel, just remember every creator's path is different and unique. And take the time to figure out your channel direction and to focus on what you're passionate about. And remember, your first video is not going to be perfect. But keep on making videos and you'll get there in time. Make 100 videos if you want to set a goal to a YouTube channel when you're first starting out. And then look at your data and see what you can improve on. That's another pro tip for you. And if you're like me and you have a hard time finding video ideas, here's an excellent way to get video ideas that get views and get you subscribers. What you want to do is go to your competitors. And then after you go to your competitors' videos, see which videos are above the subscriber amount. Here's what I mean. When your competitor's video has more views than their subscribers, then that means that video is a really successful video. And if you put your own take on it, it will get you more views and more subscribers. Now keep this in mind, with dedication and hard work, you will get to be a successful YouTuber. You have to battle for not that many views on your videos, not that many subscribers gained. Well, if you keep at it and you keep on working on it, then you can do it. I believe in you. Now if you want to know how the easy way to get views when you just started, watch this video on the screen now and I'll see you there. Bye y'all.